Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best pink outdoor cushions is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your outdoor living space, instantly transforming a plain patio or deck into a vibrant and inviting oasis perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests. These cushions not only add a pop of cheerful color but also provide essential comfort, making your outdoor furniture significantly more enjoyable during those warm, sunny days and cool, breezy evenings. Imagine sinking into plush comfort while surrounded by the beauty of your garden, all thanks to these delightful and functional pieces that blend aesthetics with practicality seamlessly. Number 5. Jessica Simpson Women's Marshmallow Slide Slipper. Step into a cloud of comfort with these incredibly soft slide slippers. Designed for ultimate relaxation, they're perfect for lounging around the house. Experience the plush, marshmallow-like cushioning that cradles your feet with every step. You'll feel like you're walking on air all day long. Effortlessly slide them on and off thanks to the convenient clog design. They provide a secure yet relaxed fit for easy wear. Enjoy superior comfort with the built-in memory foam insole. It molds to your foot's unique shape, offering personalized support and cushioning. Whether you're starting your day or winding down, these slippers are your ideal home companion. Treat your feet to the luxury they deserve. These slippers combine a stylish look with a snug feel, making them a fashionable choice for indoor comfort. Keep your feet warm and happy. What we like? If you're looking for ultimate comfort and ease of use around the house, these slippers are a fantastic choice. The plush material and memory foam provide a cloud-like feel for your feet. Their slide-on design makes them perfect for quick wear when you just want to relax. What people say? They are so soft, like seriously way softer than they look in the pictures. I was not expecting this level of softness. They have a nice, durable hard sole, so I feel comfortable wearing them outside. Oversized, cute, fuzzy and soft, these slippers are perfect for keeping my feet warm and comfortable. Number 4. Decor 3-piece Wicker Tufted Cushion Set. Introducing our 3-piece cushion set, designed for lasting comfort and style. It includes a love seat cushion and 2 U-shaped cushions for chairs, all filled with hypoallergenic fiberfill. This set features 1 love seat cushion, 41x19, and 2 U-shaped chair cushions, 19x19. We recommend measuring your furniture to ensure a perfect fit. Crafted from 100% spun polyester, these cushions are built to withstand the elements. They offer water resistance, color fastness, and a soft yet durable texture. Keeping your cushions looking fresh is simple. Just spot clean with mild soap and water, then air dry. For best results, store or cover them during bad weather. Proudly made in upstate South Carolina since 2007, Decor is a family-owned business committed to quality craftsmanship. What we like? For those who want to enhance their outdoor living space with durable and stylish cushions, this set is ideal. The all-weather spun fabric is designed to withstand the elements, and they are proudly made in the USA. If you have a wicker love seat and chairs, these are designed to fit snugly and add comfort. What people say? These cushions are made of a durable, water-resistant fabric that holds up well against the elements. The vibrant pink color is exactly as pictured and adds a lovely pop of color to my patio. They are thick and comfortable, providing great support for extended sitting. Number 3. ROFIELTY Custom Bench Cushion. Experience ultimate relaxation with our incredibly comfortable cushion. Its high resilience foam provides excellent support, making it perfect for any seating need, from your patio to your piano bench. This cushion is designed with you in mind. It features customizable lacing, a non-slip bottom, and an easily removable zippered cover for hassle-free cleaning. Create a cushion that's uniquely yours. Choose from over 90 colors and select custom sizes to perfectly match your space and style. For your custom order, we'll send a confirmation message within 24 hours. Please review and confirm your details to ensure a perfect fit. Production begins after confirmation. Each cushion is carefully handcrafted to meet your needs. We are dedicated to providing exceptional service and support for your complete satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with its waterproof design, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The double piping adds a touch of elegance and durability. What we like? If you have very specific dimensions for your outdoor furniture or a unique style in mind, this custom cushion is the perfect solution. With over 90 colors and custom sizing, you can perfectly match your decor. The waterproof fabric ensures it can handle various weather conditions, making it great for patios and benches. What people say. The cushions are very comfortable and fit our odd-sized furniture like a glove. The quality exceeded my expectations. From the craftsmanship to the materials, everything feels premium and well-made. The fit is absolutely perfect, like it was meant to be there all along, and the comfort level is outstanding. Great quality. I ordered a full set of 9 custom sizes on waterproof fabric for the furniture around my pool in deep green with hooks. The Velcro is good quality and resistant, the cushion doesn't move. They are water resistant, firm and feel very comfortable. The color was exactly what I selected and the size was precise. Number 2. Soccer Athletic Knee-High Tube Socks. Elevate your game with these high-performance knee-high socks. Designed for ultimate comfort and support, they're perfect for any athletic endeavor. Whether you're on the soccer field, baseball diamond, or softball court, these socks offer the versatility you need. They are suitable for a wide range of team sports. These unisex socks are crafted for kids, women, and men alike. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit no matter your age or gender. Experience the perfect blend of durability and comfort. They are built to withstand intense activity while keeping your feet feeling great. Never worry about your socks slipping down again. Their tube design ensures they stay put throughout the entire game, allowing you to focus on playing. What we like. These socks are a must-have for any athlete or sports enthusiast. Their knee-high, athletic design provides support and comfort during intense activities like softball or baseball. If you're looking for socks that stay up and complement your team uniform, these are a great pick. What people say. The cushions are made of a durable, water-resistant fabric that holds up well to outdoor elements. The vibrant pink color is exactly as pictured and adds a cheerful pop to my patio. They are thick and comfortable, providing great support for extended sitting. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Switch Kit. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Switch Kit. Effortlessly brings smart control to your floor and table lamps. It works with a variety of bulbs, including up to 100W dimmable LEDs and CFLs, and 300W incandescent or halogen bulbs. Please note, it's not designed for low-voltage lighting. You can manage your lights through the Lutron app, voice commands, or the included remote. Set schedules, dim lights, or activate scenes with ease. This system connects with more leading smart home devices than any other brand, including Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. A Lutron Smart Hub is required for these advanced integrations. Feel secure knowing your home is always well lit. The Smart Away feature randomly turns lights on and off, making it appear as though someone is home, even when you're away. Easily expand your smart lighting control with compatible accessories like the Caseta Outdoor Smart Plug, sold separately, to manage more fixtures within the Lutron Caseta system. This dimmer switch allows you to control multiple plug-in lamp fixtures simultaneously, making even your existing bulbs smart and dimmable. What we like. If you're looking to easily add smart home capabilities to your existing lamps, this dimmer switch kit is a fantastic option. It allows for convenient control via an app, voice commands, or the included remote. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create schedules, dim lights, or activate scenes without complex wiring. What people say. No hub needed. No Wi-Fi BS. It just works. The dimmers work perfectly with our G7 LED bulbs. The dimmer range is excellent, and the switches are adjustable so you can actually set the minimum and maximum dimmer setting to match your bulbs. The Caseta plug-in lamp dimmer has two-blade polarized outlets. The dimmer can take the bottom plug of a standard duplex outlet. The Pico remote adds a domed center button to implement a favorite lighting level feature. The remote has a long-life lithium button cell. Lutron says the battery will last for 10 years of ordinary use, and it is easily accessible for replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.